One of the main things to consider while choosing a laptop for using Microsoft Office is the keyboard and the display, and a good CPU and an adequate amount of RAM to open large Excel sheets or even a board meeting PowerPoint presentation. The bigger the both of them are, the better is the experience. The Lenovo Legion Y540 is the latest mid-range gaming laptop from the company, which is also an excellent notebook to use Microsoft Office apps. Thanks to the 24GB RAM on it, which allows it to easily open multiple spreadsheets at the same time. It has a great spec sheet, which makes it an all-rounder laptop. The laptop comes with the 9th General Intel Core i7-9750H 6-core processor with a base clock speed of 2.6 GHz, and it can go up to 4.5 GHz with the Turbo Boost technology. With the higher CPU clock speeds, it can easily compute complex formulas on the spreadsheet, making it highly suitable for accountants. One of the major highlights of this machine is that it comes with a full-sized keyboard along with a dedicated numerical keyboard, making it an excellent laptop for those who work with numbers. Although it isn't beneficial for many, but for those who are power users of Microsoft Excel, shall find the dedicated number pad to be very helpful. Also, there is a large trackpad with 2 separate click buttons that are very responsive and tactile. This laptop is powered by the high-performance 6-core Intel Core i7-9750H processor with a base clock speed of 2.6 GHz, and when required it can achieve speeds up to 4.5 GHz. It comes with the NVIDIA GTX 1050 GPU with 3 GB VRAM. You can't expect this machine to perform high graphic-intensive tasks such as 3D modeling, video editing, machine learning, etc., but it can surely be used for casual gaming. In our tests, we were able to run high-end games on medium graphic settings without any heating or lags. The laptop offers 16 GB RAM along with 512 GB SSD-based internal storage. It uses an M.3 SSD and it can be upgraded up to 2 TB. In terms of OS experience, the computer comes with Windows 10 and offers great performance even while running and processing a multi-paged Excel sheet. The laptop has a regular 60Hz 15.6-inch display with a native resolution of 1920 by 1080p. The display has thick bezels on all 4 sides, which makes it look a little old, but also makes it sturdy. There is great color reproduction with a good viewing angle, making it an excellent device to watch videos or online learning. It is powered by the Intel Core i7-1065G7 processor with a base clock speed of 1.3 GHz, which can clock over 4.0 GHz. This model does not have a dedicated GPU, and it uses the Intel Iris Plus graphics card, and it is capable of powering an external display with up to 4K resolution. Coming to the storage and RAM, the company has made upgrading the storage easy on this laptop by giving access to the internal components. This model in talks comes with a 16 GB DDR4 RAM and 512 GB M.3.0 SSD respectively. With the SSD storage in place, it can open software quickly, and it cold boots the Windows 10 OS in less than 10 seconds. When using different Microsoft Office software, you'd be spending a lot of time with the keyboard and the trackpad. The good thing is, the Surface 3 comes with a full-sized backlit keyboard and has a highly responsive trackpad. The keys are very tactile, and thanks to the LED backlit, which allows you to work in dark or low light work environment. The manufacturer has integrated a secondary display with the trackpad, which can be used for a variety of tasks like monitoring a rendering process and accessing a menu option directly on the trackpad, and it can also be used to get into an Excel sheet using the touch input to make last-minute changes. This machine comes with the latest 10th General Intel Core i7-10510U quad-core processor with a base clock speed of 1.8 GHz, and with the Turbo Boost technology, the CPU can go up to 4.9 GHz. Coming to the graphics performance, there is an NVIDIA GTX 1650 GPU with 4 GB video memory, which can handle gaming at 1080p on medium graphic settings. The device offers 16 GB of RAM and it can be upgraded up to 32 GB. Plus, it comes with 1 TB M-based SSD and offers higher read and write speeds, and the laptop can boot in no time. The laptop comes with Windows 10 OS out of the box, and it is also Alexa enabled and can be used to control smart devices. The device has a thin bezel 15.6-inch display with a native resolution of 1920 by 1080, and it is a matte panel. It offers great color reproduction and a higher amount of brightness, where even professionals can use this machine to make colorful presentations without any issue. Thanks to the matte panel, You can also use it in the outdoors without experiencing screen glares. The HP Spectre X360 is a thin and light laptop that offers best-in-class build quality. This is a 2-in-1 laptop and also comes with a stylus that differentiates this product from the competition. It is easier to edit and tweak presentations made using software like Microsoft PowerPoint thanks to the responsive touchscreen. It is an easy-to-carry machine and is still powered by the high-performance Intel Core i7-9750H processor with a peak CPU clock speed of 4.5 GHz. As per the gaming performance is concerned, it comes with the NVIDIA GTX 1650 GPU with 4 GB of video memory, which is more than enough for casual gaming. Coming to the storage, the laptop offers a 1TB SSD. Thanks to the SSD-based storage, it boots and opens different files from the File Explorer in no time. It is also equipped with 16 GB of RAM, resulting in great multitasking. In terms of software, the device comes with Windows 10 Pro OS, which offers better security features when compared to the regular Windows 10 OS and is highly smooth with MS Office Suite.